Hello everyone. What if I told you that humanity might be standing on the edge of its greatest threat? A force so powerful, so intelligent that it could surpass us, maybe even replace us. This is not a science fiction. It's a warning from some of the greatest minds of our time, like Stephen Hawking, Elon Musk, Geoffrey Hinton, and many more. They believe in it. AI is growing faster than we ever have expected. It's revolutionizing even industries, medicine, warfare, and many more things. Even our creativity as well. But here's the problem that we need to address. Let's address the elephant in the room. What happens when AI no longer needs us? The moment AI surpasses human intelligence, the expert call this phenomena as an technological singularity, where the AI thinks faster than we had ever expected. It can make decisions which we can't even predict at this stage. Just imagine an AI that controls our financial market, our nuclear weapons, or even our global communication and decide humans are the threat. Who will stop them? I don't think so. Any force have been made out who can stop them. No one. A world where AI does everything better, cheaper, and even faster than humans, what will be left for us? Nothing. Just nothing. Many experts believe that AI is evolving faster than we can ever imagine, and if we cannot regulate it now, we cannot able to stop them in a near future. Generative AI is blurring the line between reality and illusion. Deep fakes up in our markets. We cannot imagine or we cannot draw a line between what's real or what's a fake one. That's the most difficult part of it, most dangerous part. Some believe AI will help us, or others fear it. What's the truth? We don't know. What do you think? Is AI our future, or it's a doom for us?